channel, man. I know I was talking to a couple excuse the shit out of me. Holy cow, choked up my own spit. Anyways, I know I was talking to a few other motor vloggers, and you know, I think on my last car video I did, they said, you know, I told them, you know, I said, hey, you know, here in a couple weeks I'll probably be going into a car show and putting a Challenger in the car show. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Now, you guys are probably like, oh man, I wanted to see that. Hey, it's all good because I'm sure there'll be plenty of car shows that I'll be able to go to. I just thought it was a little too soon to enter my car into a car show. I mean, granted, it's a 2014 Challenger RT, 345 cubic inches. But I want to do some more stuff to it before I do. Right now, it's all stock. It's the 100th year anniversary edition, and I just think it was just too soon for me to do something like that. I mean, I don't know, I'm not too, I mean, I've been to car shows before, but as far as being a participant in a car show, I really don't know all the requirements and stuff like that. So I wanted to do my research before I just go in there and, you know, drop 20 bucks to get in. And, you know, I hear a lot of people saying that you need to have a fire extinguisher, which I didn't have a fire extinguisher. I mean, I do have one, but it's for the house, but I don't have one for the car. I mean, there's just a lot of different things. I mean, I just wasn't prepared to just jump in it real quick like that. So, I got a call from the guy that's going to do my exhaust. He asked me what I wanted. I told him, I said I wanted some Flowmaster Super 44s. He says they usually take about 2 days to get here. That was on Wednesday. He called me, so he told me that they'd be here like the end of the week or beginning of next week. So it's getting closer, folks. I mean, it's all about time. In money, in money, in money, money, money. But it's gonna get done, and we'll go in further detail once that time comes. I'm definitely gonna do a video of that, all that work being done. So, but anyways, yeah, I figured I'd just leave it alone with the car show stuff. Concentrate more on the motor vlogs. I mean, I'm unlimited on time because, you know, it is the end of October and it is Kansas, so you never know what kind of weather you're gonna get. You might get sun one day and snow the next. And those of you who don't believe that Kansas weather, just go ahead and ask Knuckles TV, Road King Jonesy, you know, 6-Pin, you know, SL636. Ask them guys. They came down here in April, like April 7th. They came down here. We all met up, went for a ride. And you would think in April, that's like springtime weather, right? Just ask them guys. They'll tell you. You know, it was 45 for the high the night that everybody showed up, and it snowed that night, and we were supposed to go ride that morning. Good old Kansas weather, man. But anyways, yes, I just wanted to make sure that, I mean, there's a lot of things I can do to this car to make it where I want it, but it all takes time and money, and once it gets done, I will film everything I do with that car. Any upgrades? I mean, the bike, I mean, I tried filming the upgrades on my bike, but I got a copyright strike for filming with a radio playing in the background, and that totally, like, killed that part. So, let's see here. Yeah, I just thought it was a little too early for me to be doing all that car show stuff. You know, I always get something and I always jump on it real quick, not knowing the ins and outs. So, you know, this would be a perfect time for me to get my research done and know a little bit about the car show aspect of it. We'll see what happens, you know. It's not the end of the world. I'm sure there's another guy here in town who I met on Facebook who has I believe it's a 2018 or 2017 Scat Pack Dodge Charger. So, and I know he wanted to get hooked up and do some pictures and stuff like that. So, and he was talking about putting a car show together, or a club, the Mopar Club here in Kansas, put it together. We'll see what happens, you know. You know, I got right here, I already got a full plate, you know, and I'll just add them to it. And I can't eat, I mean, I can eat, but I can't eat that damn much. I mean, that's a lot to eat. And I can put some food away, but I can't do all that. You do all that, start eating all that shit, and then you gotta go take a shit. So, and then when you take a shit, you go back and you finish some more food, and then you take another shit. Just rinse and repeat, man. Oh, damn, I just sound like, who is it? Tigger off of Winnie the Pooh. If y'all haven't seen Tigger off of Winnie the Pooh, you gotta go watch it, dude. Oh, shit. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. You guys have a good night. Like always, ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.